Guys, so I am here currently at the Popeye area to get some construction footage of the new 2020 coaster coming to Universal, the Jurassic Park theme coaster. You can see Hogsmeade over there. Right now, gonna be honest, kind of just looks like a bunch of dirt. I'll probably get closer as well to see if there's anything else, but they're definitely working on it. You can see some, I think that's probably some concrete pouring or something there. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'll go around to another spot and look from over there. So coming down here kind of to the edge, if I zoom in, you can see what I was just looking at. You can also see all of this stuff over here. You got construction crews out here right now, actually. Working right now on everything. Right now, like I said, just kind of like a lot of dirt. There's a big pile of dirt right there. But it is for 2020, so it's all good. So they also have all this yellow lining out here in the lagoon, and I'm not 100% sure if that has to do with it, but that could be part of construction and whatnot, because it is supposed to go over the water, I'm pretty sure. You can see all of those walls over there blocking people off from it. Just not allowing them to go back there and obviously and see it, get in the way of the construction. But yeah, they're definitely hard at work. Got all the stuff up that they need. It's making some progress. Some good land clearing out here. I'm excited to see it. It's gonna be very cool to see. So, I know there's not a lot to see right now, but hopefully you guys did enjoy this video and got a good look at the new coaster land clearing for Jurassic Park in 2020. And yeah, so see you guys in the next one.